Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy campfire breakfast. We're going to make apple cinnamon rolls in a Dutch oven, cooked over coals. We often take our church youth on camping trips to show them the joys of simple living, teach them a few outdoor skills, and watch them squirm when they realize that there's no cell phone reception. But this is really simple, easy. You're going to love it. It's delicious. Because we're on a camping trip, we didn't make it too complicated. We are simply going to use apple pie filling from the store. You can can this yourself or make it from scratch. But if not, then the one from the store will work just fine. We're going to put it in the bottom of our Dutch oven pot with a couple of big slices or chunks of butter. After you put a layer of apple pie filling, put a layer of cinnamon rolls. You can make them yourself or you can just pop them right out of a can. You're going to heat up about 30 coals and get them all burning white hot. Here's the key to perfect campfire Dutch oven baking. You want to put 10 underneath the pot and 20 on top. That's going to ensure an even heat throughout the pot. While you're cooking, you're going to want to rotate your pot 2 or 3 times throughout the process, just in case your coals are not heating perfectly evenly. And if you do that, it won't take very long before your cinnamon rolls are perfect and ready to eat. Try this yourself or with kids. It's so simple, they can do it all by themselves. It's easier than any Easy Bake Oven I ever used. It's fun and it's delicious. Thank you.